Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to make coco peat. So this is a coco brick. It is easily available in online in Amazon or Flipkart or on the shop also. You can buy it and this is 1 kilo block. 1 kilo block. This is made of cocoa coir, that is cocoa husk, coconut husk. They are made of coconut husk. So they are compact form. This is 1 kilo packet. What you have to do now, just open the packet. This is now compact form. Open the packet and this will expand up to 5 times. So what we'll do now, what you like to do, just make a 2 piece of it. So friends, now I made some pieces here. These are very compact form and this is around 50 rupees kilo online. So I have made here pieces here and just second piece I am keeping it here. So this is very compact and when we water it, it will be fully expanded. So I am giving it here and now I will be watering it here full. So this is a 5-liter can and the coco peat is the excellent soil conditioner. It is the best soil conditioner and it neutralizes the soil also. Your garden soil or your potting soil is an excellent thing and I am mixing water here. So I will be putting 5-liter water in this pot and this will expand and within 1 hour you will see what the result is. So this one is here and again in another pot I am putting here. So there I have put 5-liter water and here pouring 5 liter of water. Let it sit for an hour and after 1 hour I will show what it is expanding. So this is excellent soil neutralizer and soil conditioner. This is all the 5 liters water and within a second you can see, just see, all are expanding. So let it sit here and within an hour it will expand full. So one thing you must remember that these are made out of seawater. They are made from seawater, so some salt is there. So please wash the things before using it. So just these are now totally watery soaked and again I have to put some water. And in 1 kilo block you can get more than 5 kilo of this. So friends, this is full ready and what we do now, just to squeeze out the water. Because I want to remove the water, that the seawater is mixed in it. The coco peat is prepared with seawater. So I want to remove the salty seawater from here, the salts from here, and you can use and you just squeeze it out the water and also the salts. And what you do now, just dry it out under sun, under sunlight. You have to dry it out. So this is all. Just I squeeze out all the water from here. So friends, all I have removed from here and this is finally ready. More than 5 kilo of coco peat is here ready. This is the coco peat, 5 kilo, deep brown color and excellent soil conditioner. So this is all ready and now I am going to make it dry it in sun. So I am spreading it. Just dry it under sun. If you give 2 to 3 days under sunlight and this will be totally dry, then it will be ready for use. So friends, welcome back after 2 days of expanding the coco peat brick. So this is now I am collecting totally dried under sun for 2 days and these are totally ready to use. So now I am collecting all. Now friends, I have collected all. These are the total 1 kilo brick. These are turned in this amount. So this would be around 15 liter volume. So these are the total ready. Now I am going to show you how to use it in your pot. So potting mix I will be making. Now friends, I am going to pot one of the Xanadu plant here and using this coco peat that we have dried and expanded. So in this case, I will be taking 1/3 of this vermicompost, 1/3 garden soil, and 1/3 of coco peat powder that I have made. Now I am mixing it well. Mix is ready. Now I will be planting this Xanadu plant here. Just touch here 2 fingers and give a tap here and just take it out to plant. Total plant and place it in the middle. And now give the soil mix around. Now the time to water it. So these are all the procedures of planting and expanding the coco peat, and hope I could explain everything about the expanding the coco brick into coco peat and all. And if you have liked the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want and if you think it is worth sharing, please share with your friends and relatives. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you lots and lots about gardening and all. Thank you very much. Thank you, so nice of you.